In match problem 4, we're going to start taking a look at this idea of marginal productivity. So first we want to take our Cobb-Douglas function that we're given and find the derivative with respect to x and the derivative with respect to y. So the derivative with respect to x is going to be 40 times, so we're differentiating x to the 0.3. So 0.3 times x to the negative 0.7, y to the 0.7. So multiplying 40 times 0.3 will give us 12, x to the negative 0.7, y to the 0.7. And then very similarly, we can find the derivative of y. 0.7 times 40 will give us 28, x to the 0.3, y to the negative 0.3. So we have our marginal productivity functions. In part B, if the company is currently using 1,500 units of labor and 4,500 units of capital, we want to find the marginal productivity of labor and marginal productivity of capital. So to get our marginal productivity of labor, we'll look at the derivative of our function with respect to x, evaluated at 1,500, 4,500. So we'll plug these two values into our expression f sub x, which will give us approximately 25.89. And to get our marginal productivity of capital, we'll look at our Cobb-Douglas function differentiated with respect to y, and still evaluated at those same two values, 1,500 and 4,500, which should give us approximately 20.14. So our marginal productivity of labor is 25.89, marginal productivity of capital is 20.14. Now in part C, we're asked to basically provide an interpretation for what those mean, and from a business standpoint, what decision do we want to make now that we know this information? So what we're saying is if we increase our labor, then that implies, or is going to mean, a 25.89 increase in productivity. So a 25.89 unit increase in productivity. If we increase capital, that's going to mean a 20.14 unit increase in productivity. So what we want to do is just make the choice between these. Increasing labor yields over a 25 unit increase. Increasing capital yields a little over a 20 unit increase. So in this case, increasing labor yields a bigger increase. So they should encourage increased use of labor. So again, whether we increase labor, increase capital, productivity is going to go up, but the question is, where are we going to see that bigger boost in productivity? And in this case, it's by increasing labor.